Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying what you actually installed: an iOS-style launcher, a theme pack, or a custom ROM. Once done, back up your data to cloud or PC so nothing is lost. This is essential before any uninstall or flash. Then enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so your computer tools can communicate with the phone. These steps let you proceed safely and determine whether a simple uninstall or a full firmware reflash is required. Start by uninstalling the iOS-style launcher or theme through Settings, Apps, and Clear Defaults. This resolves most cases fast. If you discover a custom ROM, download the official stock firmware for your exact model and build. Make sure battery is above 50% and connect the phone to your PC. Then use ADB/Fastboot or the vendor flash tool, Odin for Samsung, SB Flash for MediaTek, to flash the stock image. Follow the tool's prompts and don't interrupt the process to avoid bricking. After flashing stock firmware, perform a factory reset and recovery and set up the phone as new so residual settings don't reapply. Reinstall apps from Google Play and selectively restore backed up data to avoid reintroducing the iOS layer. If the device ends in a boot loop or won't boot, reflash the firmware, wipe cache and recovery, or try an alternate official image. If problems persist, contact the device vendor or a certified repair shop. One key tip: keep logs and screenshots for support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.